Hello world travelers, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to visit one of my favorite European cities, Lisbon, Portugal. If you're thinking about visiting Lisbon, you've come to the right place. I know. It feels like everyone is going to Lisbon right now, and for good reason. It's an incredible city. But with so much hype, how do you make sure your trip is truly unforgettable? Well, you're in luck, because today, I will be sharing 5 amazing experiences that will take your Lisbon adventure to the next level. Before we dive in, let's get a quick history lesson so we can really appreciate this place. Lisbon is one of the oldest cities in Western Europe, even older than Rome. It has a rich maritime past, being the launching point for many of the world's greatest explorers during the Age of Discovery. But it's also a city of resilience. In 1755, a massive earthquake, followed by a tsunami and fires, almost completely destroyed it. The city you see today, especially the downtown Barcabela district, was rebuilt from the ashes with one of the first ever grid-style city plans. This mix of ancient history and groundbreaking recovery gives Lisbon its unique, captivating soul. Alright, first up on our list, let's explore the Old Town, also known as the Alfama district. This is the oldest part of Lisbon, a beautiful labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and steep stairways that the 1755 earthquake thankfully spared. It feels like stepping back in time. You'll wander past hidden courtyards, hear the clatter of the famous Tram 28, and catch incredible views of sunsets in the Tagus River. While you're exploring Alfama, I highly recommend popping into the Copenhagen Coffee Lab. Yes, I know, it sounds out of place, Dutch coffee in Lisbon. But trust me, they serve some of the best specialty coffee in the city. Grabbing a perfect flat white and a pastry, here is the ideal fuel for navigating Alfama's charming maze. It's the perfect blend of old-world Lisbon and modern-day comfort. You'll spend hours just wandering, discovering, and taking way too many photos. Towering above Alfama, our second must-do is visiting São Jorge Castle. You can't miss it. It's literally the king of the Lisbon skyline. This historic fortress has seen it all, from Romans and Visigoths to the Moors, who really fortified it in the 11th century before it was conquered by Portugal's first king. A ticket to São Jorge Castle will cost you around €15, and it's worth every cent. Don't rush to the top. I recommend taking your time exploring the castle walls. You can walk along the ramparts, feeling like a medieval guard on patrol. And the panoramic views of the entire city, the red rooftops, the river, and the 25 de Abril bridge are absolutely breathtaking. There's also an archaeological site and a permanent exhibition to check out. Plus, there are peacocks just casually strolling around like they own the place. I mean, who doesn't love a castle with peacocks? After all that walking and exploring, you've definitely earned a fantastic meal. For experience number 3, we're heading to a local gem for lunch, Barcabela, located in the Santa Justa district. This is one of those unassuming family-run spots that serves seafood so fresh, you'll wonder if they caught it right out back. Forget fancy decor. This place is all about the food. There's an eye-catching fish tank with today's feature, and it happens to be lobster on this day. You must try the seafood rice or arroz de marisco. It's delicious. But my favorite, hands down, are the tiger prawns. They grill it to perfection with just a bit of olive oil, lemon, garlic, and salt. It's utterly divine. The octopus salad is also a showstopper. It's tender, flavorful, and not to be missed at Barcabela. Next up, we're heading to the Belém district for a double header of culture and calories. Our 4th experience is visiting the Jerónimos Monastery. This place is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and when you see it, you'll understand why. It's a jaw-dropping masterpiece of Portuguese late Gothic architecture. Built in the 1500s to honor Vasco da Gama's India voyage, the level of architectural detail is awesome. You can visit the church for free, but I highly recommend paying to see the cloisters. They are absolutely stunning. Each column is intricately carved with maritime motifs like ropes, sea monsters, and coral. It's an architectural marvel. Now, after you've had your fill of history, it's time to try some famous pastéis de nata. Just a short walk from the monastery is the legendary Pastéis de Belém. This is the birthplace of the iconic Portuguese custard tart, the pastel de nata. They've been using the same secret recipe from the monastery since 1837. Do not be intimidated by the line. It moves surprisingly fast. The flaky, creamy custard sprinkled with cinnamon and powdered sugar along with the amazing coffee, it's pure perfection. Trust me, you haven't really been to Lisbon until you've had a pastel from here. Finally, for a fifth and final experience, you can't leave Lisbon without seeing a Fado show. Fado is the soulful, melancholic folk music of Portugal, and it's a powerful and deeply moving experience. Now, you can find Fado houses all over the city, but many are tourist traps. I would recommend O Corrido in Alfama. It's an intimate, family-run restaurant where the experience feels incredibly authentic. You'll sit down for a delicious, home-cooked meal. Think classic Portuguese dishes. My favorite? The octopus, hands down. The desserts were also very good. The singers, often the owners or their family members, will perform right there among the tables. The passion and emotion in their voices, accompanied by the beautiful Portuguese guitar, is something that will give you chills. It's a raw, emotional, and unforgettable way to end your day and truly connect with the heart of Portuguese culture. And there you have it, 5 incredible experiences that will make your trip to Lisbon truly special. From the ancient streets of Alfama to the emotional melodies of Fado, these are the moments that create lasting memories. I hope this helps you plan your own amazing Lisbon adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next travel video. What city should I explore next? Let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other videos on California and Barcelona in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.